Increasing your TikTok views involves a mix of strategy, content quality, and consistency. Here's a practical, step-by-step guide to help you grow your TikTok views organically. 1. Hook fast and grab attention in the first 2 seconds. 2. Post often and aim for 1-3 videos daily. 3. Use trends and add trending sounds and hashtags that fit your niche. 4. Boost watch time and keep videos short and loop-friendly. 5. Add text and use captions and overlays to increase engagement. 6. Engage and reply to comments, duet, stitch others, and interact in your niche. 7. Smart hashtags and use 3-5 relevant tags, including trending and niche ones. 8. Post at peak times, typically evenings on weekdays, mid-morning on weekends. 9. Stick to a niche helps TikTok know your audience. 10. Check analytics and track what works and double down. 11. Engage with viewers on live occasions to increase high number of followers and viewers. Bonus tips: use high-quality lighting and audio, avoid TikTok watermarks if reposting, especially from IG Reels, and cross-promote on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, etc. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, follow, and subscribe for more to come. Find us on social media at EduliftShacks.